Your ice cream? You ready for your ice cream, Maxie? Okay. Have your ice cream. Come on, Maxie.
That was the worst part ever!
Lucy!
Maxie, ice cream. Come on, baby boy. Look at this. This is what you ordered. Your double shot ice cream is here. Are you ready, Maxie? Maxie, you want your ice cream? Yes or no?
Wake up, Maxie.
Wake up, Maxie. Open your
come on,
eyes.
wake up. You want
your ice cream? Come on, here you go. You want it?
Maxie,
Okay, start to eat
do
it.
you see your ice cream? Where is it? Where is it? Right there? You gonna eat it? Do you want Grandma to eat it? Grandma's gonna get it. You gonna get it, Maxie? Maxie, get your ice cream. Get your ice cream, Maxie. I'm gonna get it. Maxie, I'm coming towards the ice cream. Maxie, I'm gonna get it.
If you don't want it, Maxie, it's okay. Do you want to go to sleep? Okay. I know you are. Here, take a spoon. Have a bite.
Come on, Maxie.
Abre la boca. Maxie.
Open. Oh, isn't that good?
You want some more?
That's worth waking up for.
You want to sit over here?
I think so. Maxie, you want another bite? Say prom date. Oh, the indignity of it.
Oh yeah, that was pretty fun!